Hello viewers, on 22nd June, Sunday early morning day, US pra Iran laga tinda nuclear sites, photo, Natanz aro Isfahan ke American bunker busting bomb jet loigna sabse khatanak penetrating bomb GPU-57 bra strike kurigna edu tinda nuclear sites to completely destroyed kuri dishe kuigna mohan sob bra khobo paise hoilebi ajikali majode olta khobor ekta pai ase bomb gerai dia nohoigna poisa hi gerai dise kuigna honi pai ase viewers amnan believe no gurubo moi edu kili koi ase aji laga video de amnan sopra jani jabo chakra kura do khali enemy di create kurule chakra kura nohoi hoilebi ki diaba chakra kura bra friendship anidi edu nisnai US pra Iran ke attack kura bichide ki hoi ase hunigna amnan pi sok hobo recently Donald Trump ra koisi ki itiaro Iran logode nuclear deal obode kotha kobole iman necessary nai kwa thagise holebi nutun khobor hisabte US to invest rupees 2564580210000 iduru kiman bi hobona approximately 2.5 lakh crores or US dollar de 30 billions in Iran for civil nuclear program huge relief for Tehran as another rupees many number from koigana khobor ekta bias edu laga khobor hisabte US bra Iran ke tango madad dibole ase America bra US dollar 30 billion investment do Iran de civil energy nuclear program nimide dibole koi ase edu poisa investment ni noigna Iran opore sanction lagai gena thaga aro Iran opore international funds khan block kurigina thaka khan sob tu hole release kuri dibole honi pai ase itia US pra enaga kem du kili khili ase Iran du hole nuclear deal opore negotiating table de hai bole foslai kurigina thaka honi pai ase Iran du hole itia FATF laga gray list pin hoigina black list ase enago hoa bra Iran opore restrictions on financial transaction increased scrutiny or impact on trade and economy thaligana ase holebi US pra US dollar 6 billion Iranian assets dusra countries laga account de block hoigana thakabi sob access kuri dibole koigana honi pai ase idia civil energy production nuclear program ki ke koi koile it is a nuclear program that is used only to generate electricity or energy not to make weapons mane Iran khan ke khali electricity or dusra source of energy generate kurule hi allowed kuribo holebi uranium enrichment nohole nuclear weapons to hole ponawle natibo koigena US khan bra koi ase to US bra etu laga civil energy of nuclear program nimide poisa do hole paradak thamatham madad dibole koi ase in return Iran bra weapons nuclear program do nakurbo lage koi ase idia idu idea do hole Iran bra accept kurbo na nai mohon sob nimide idu idea do bisi mitha ase holebi Iran khan nimide mitha hobona tita hobo kobole napara ekta ase and what about Israel Donald Trump laga best friend Benjamin Netanyahu bra idu laga opinions opore no kobona yes kobo holebi itia saigena jai segula do drum ke yes and no don't matters kile gole dunia laga steering tai laga hatte ase edu bra raja bra ki koi subjects khan bra honi edu nisnai hoi jabo pare idia edu investment khan do hole sob hosa hoi jai segula do poila Donald Trump bro kwa Iran will burn kwa do hole Iran will shine kwa hobo aro Donald Trump bra Iranian supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei ke you don't have place to hide kwa do hole Ayatollah nimide hiding place bonai dia hobo kun khan brabi ki kurubula ase kuribi holebi peace nimide kuri ase gule do moibi iduke amen ase thank you everyone for watching my video and see you on my next video